Hello and welcome to my Barcelona vlog. It is now Friday and it's my third day in Barcelona. And today I'm going to Plaça de Catalunya and then go to La Ramblas. So those are like really popular places to visit. So here I'm actually on a pedestrian walkway, and it's in between two roads. So you can see here's like one going that way, and the other street going the other. Oh, going the other way. In the middle, there's this pedestrian area that people can just walk. So it's pretty cool. It goes along. It's pretty long. It's like I didn't look at the map, but it's very long. Maybe 10 to 20 blocks, and the blocks here are very long. So Google Maps says it's a 1 kilometer walk from my hostel to Plaça de Catalunya. And look, and I already walked like 2 blocks before I started the video. So I noticed there's a lot of people smoking. I think like there are more smokers here than like in Berlin or Amsterdam, London, Paris. Oh, look, there's a Filipino flag. Oh my gosh, is that the Philippine embassy? Okay, let me check. I think it is. Yep, it's the Philippine embassy. Okay, I took some photos and selfies with the Philippine embassy, so that's pretty cool. So yeah, I've seen the Philippine embassy in in London, and then now here. So I like this pedestrian walkway. It's really cool. Oh yeah, look at that! Look at that! And then look at this building right here. And then look, it goes all the way back there. And I like the lamppost right there. Oh, I like this. The lights. La Lolita. Look at that. Ooh. They have like plato de jamón ibérico. That's what I'm looking for. The jamón ibérico. So I'll try to buy some at the supermarket because it's cheaper. Oh, they have cheese too. Oh my gosh. It's like charcuterie. But yeah, look at that. Look at the lights. They're so cool. So I gotta try the tapas. And it's not like tapas in the Philippines. It's a different kind of tapas. Oh, look at that. Pangea. Oh, I like the lights here too. Look look at all the motorcycles. My gosh. Okay, now I need to decide if I should walk on the left side or the right side. Okay, I'll go to the left. So I found a kebab place about a block from my hostel, and it looks like the one in Berlin, so I'm gonna try that maybe tonight. Oop, now let's go. There's a statue right there. And then look at the buildings. It's pretty cool. And look at that one. The Colosseum. Wow. Wow, that's a really cool building. It looks stunning. And then that one. Wow. That one too. I like the balconies, like it's very ornate. Oh, look at that. And look at this one. It looks a little modern, but it's still like similar architecture. That's a really cool motorcycle right there. And look, they have lights, like those ball, oh, sorry, I can see it. See the ball lights? I bet you it looks really cool at night too. Wow, look at this. It's very lively. And look, there's more lights right there. The ball lights. Lots of balls. And lots of like outdoor dining. See, they have like the dining inside, and then you have the option if you want to eat in or out. See, even Starbucks. Oh my gosh. Daryl, look, Starbucks. There's a Starbucks right there. It looks pretty cool. Oh, I want to try paella. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Should I try it here or in Madrid? Or I try them both, here and Madrid. Right? Oh look, there's flamenco. Okay, I think we're getting close to Plaça Catalunya. See right there, Catalunya. Okay, now, oh my gosh, it's so cool. Time to walk. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's get the turn. Ah! Made it. Wow, look, there's Corte Inglés. I think this, oh, look at that, it's like a castle. And then look at this. I think this is it. So, do I go? Do I just keep going this way? I'll check my map. So, look at this piano right here. I guess you can just play the piano, although it's gonna be hard because like there aren't that many keys. But it looks cool. Look at that. Okay, so yeah, this is Plaça Catalunya, but I don't know, like, I'm not impressed. There's so many, like, what are these tents? Maybe there's like an event. Oh, okay, there's an event. So gotta check it out. Oh, look, they have sculptures right there. And I see lots of pigeons. Oh my God, so many pigeons. Oh my God, look at that. They're just congregating. Okay, let's see what's going on here. What event is this? It says Mercat de Mercats. So, market of markets? Oh, wow. Oh, wow, look at that. Look at that. Oh, look at the cheese. More cheese. Oh my God, this cheese is huge.
Yes, of course.
Okay. Thank you. Oh my God.
Very good cheese.
That's good. Which one was that?
This is Gruyere from Switzerland.
Oh, okay.
¿La secayona? Vale. Están sequetas, ¿no?
Ya de tot,
Que no
sequeta.
tinguin greix. Mira una que no tingui.
Què voleu? No, és la tripa aquesta,
I'm just sampling.
3-4 por 9 euros, paper,
Fes-me-la en 4 trossos. Sí, pues sí. Està plena aquella.
Look, there's so many bees. But look, they have like chicharron bulaklak. Look at that. Yeah, so the lady like heard me say like in my vlog like, oh, it's like chicharron bulaklak, and then she said, oh, try it. It's bulaklak. It's pretty cool. Okay, let's move on and sample some more. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Oh my God, there's like so many of them. Oh my God. Okay, these are not samples. I guess you have to buy them. But the other ones, like they're you can sample. Okay, I'll try to go to the sample ones. Alright, let's try this. And look, there's so many dogs. Oh, what is this? Oh, olives. Cool. 2 euros. I want olives. Look. Oops. Look at there's so many people. Oh, I think I can sample like hams over there. I want to sample the hams and cheese. Oh wow, look at that. Oh look, they have like a sampler for like 5 euros. Oh, this one's pretty popular. Popular. Oh, there's the ham right there. That's what I need to try. Okay, like there are free samples. Oh, gelatos. Oh my gosh. And these strawberries. Oh, and the empanada. It's from Argentina. Wow, look at that. Olives. Wow. any samples. I need to find ones with samples. Oh gosh. But that one's cool. Violet. Okay, I'm hot. Oh, here's some burger. With burger meat. What is that? I want the ham. Maybe I should just have the ham. Oh, look at these. They're cool. Ooh, mushrooms. Wow, look at that. All kinds of mushrooms. Okay, where are the samples? Come on, samples. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at the empanadas. Maybe I should try. It's €4. Oh, look at that one. That one looks cool. Oh, that's cool too, right there. Oh, what is this? It's 3. Okay, this is really cool. I'm glad I went to Plaça de Catalunya, and I take back what I said when I said like I wasn't impressed because I didn't see all this stuff. Like I just saw like the back of the tents. So anyway, let's see if I can find more samples. So here's the schedule right here. So I guess they have it today, tomorrow, and then on Sunday. But it's in Spanish, so I don't understand. And look at that, there's the map. And there's all the list of the participants. Cool, wow.